In this tutorial, we will see that how you can hide apps on Android without app in just few steps. So let's dive right in. It's a very easy process. For the first step, from your home page, you can open phone settings. In settings, you will get a search bar here where you can search for privacy. After searching it, it will open up like this. Then you will find here multiple options like app lock, hide apps, and many more. You can open hide apps. You will be on this window where you will see these all apps which you can hide. If I turn on this toggle of Binance and click on that settings icon, here we have to put access code. After writing your code, you need to make sure that your access code must start and end with hash and contain 1 to 16 digit in between, and it's an example. After writing your access code, click on that tick button from right top side. Click done. Now these specific apps are locked. Now to access these, you can see here it's not showing Binance anymore. Now to access these apps, click on that dial pad and type the access. It must start and end with hash like this. After writing code, you will get your hidden apps here that you can easily use now. So that's how you can hide apps on Android without app in just few steps.